The following video is made for educational purposes only. Everything you see is just an educational example. It does not constitute financial advice. Results may vary for you. If you've ever traded meme coins, you know how frustrating it can be. Throwing money at hype, only to watch projects die. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? Instead of gambling on the next meme coin, why not launch one yourself? Stick around, because I'm about to walk you through how to do it, and actually make money in the process. This whole strategy hinges on one big shift. Ditch trading meme coins and start launching them instead. While Pump Fund might be the first thing that comes to mind, here's the problem. It's way too packed with competition to actually stand out and profit. Forget everything you know about Pump Fund. We're doing this on Radium instead. This network is a game changer with higher quality projects, stronger performance metrics, and most importantly, way less competition. Just look at these numbers. While Pump Fund spits out hundreds of new tokens every minute, Radium only sees a couple launches in the same time frame. That's the kind of space where we can actually make an impact. Let's get into how we actually launch coins on Radium. After testing different methods, I found the absolute easiest way, launchtool.io. Normally you'd need coding skills and a ton of technical know-how, but this website simplifies everything. We're talking about launching a coin in minutes with just a few clicks. Pretty sweet deal, huh? Let's dive right in and I'll show you exactly how it works. First step is designing a logo that makes people stop scrolling and start buying. This is your #1 marketing tool. The key is leveraging whatever's trending, whether it's funny, weird, or just plain viral. I'm using this Kitty Miku meme this time. Crucial detail, export your logo at 128 by 128 pixels, because that's what Launchtool supports. Now let's make this coin pop. Let's move to step 2, the actual creation process. Just hit this button to connect your wallet and make sure to approve when the permission pop-up appears. Super simple, right? We're getting this coin live in no time. Here you'll need to enter the basic info of your coin, like the name, symbol, description, and your logo. For this example, I'm using Kitty Miku as the name and Kiku for the symbol. I'll be skipping the description this time, but you can add something about your coin here. Then simply upload your logo file. All set? Click Next, and we'll move right along. Now we've reached the tokenomics section, and here's the best part. These settings are pre-configured the optimal way for you, so there's no need to tweak anything. Just hit that next button, and we'll keep cruising through the setup. Now you'll see options to add your name as creator and a website link. Sounds important, right? Well, it's actually a complete waste, because it costs 0.1 Sol, and it's not worth it. I wouldn't bother with this, even if it was free, so do yourself a favor. Toggle it off and move along. Not worth your time or money. Now we've got the social media section, and unlike that useless creator info, this one actually matters. If you've already got Twitter or Telegram set up for your coin, definitely link them here. But since we're keeping things simple for this tutorial, I'm going to skip adding socials for now. Listen up. This step is absolutely crucial. We're dealing with revoke authorities, which are essentially your coin's security backbone. Here's the breakdown. Revoke freeze prevents your token transactions from getting permanently frozen. Revoke mint stops anyone, including you, from endlessly printing more supply. Revoke update locks the contract, so no one can alter it post-launch. Smart investors will check these settings immediately. If they spot any disabled, they'll run for the hills. The safe play? Keep all 3 enabled and hit Launch My Token with confidence. Your wallet will appear in seconds. Just approve the transaction, confirm the standard procedure, and wait for that sweet confirmation. And congratulations, your meme coin is now live on Solana. But we're not done yet. Let's verify our creation is legit by checking SolScan right this second. There it is. SolScan doesn't lie. Your coin is officially live and kicking on the blockchain. You can see all the juicy details, total supply, transaction signatures, and all the data of your token. Now the real magic happens in step 3. That's where we turn this token into a tradable one. Now we hit the make or break moment, adding liquidity. This is what transforms your coin from a digital concept into something people can actually trade. Remember that Radium list on Photon we checked earlier? This is how we get there. Just smash that Create Liquidity Pool button, and let's make this token tradable. Alright, we're now on Radium's platform. First step, connect your wallet by clicking up top. With that done, we need to add our meme coin as the base token. Here's the move. Jump back to Launchtool, copy your token's address, and paste it into Radium's field. Fill in your coin's details, just like before, and hit Add User Token. Now select it. See that 1 billion total supply? We're adding 900 million to the pool. Why 900 million? That's the Memecoin golden rule. It's what the market expects. Now we need the quote token. That's what people will use to buy your Memecoin. Solana is our only real option here, so let's select Sol. Important tip, you'll want to max out your Sol contribution here. Don't panic, this is 100% safe money. Whether your launch succeeds or fails, you can always withdraw your full amount later. Just remember to subtract 0.2 Sol from your total. That's Radium's unavoidable pool creation fee. For the fee tier, I always stick with 2%. It's my proven winner. Some claim 0.5% works too, but I haven't personally tested it. Now for the magic moment, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the transaction in your wallet, and boom, your Memecoin is officially open for trading. Welcome to the big leagues. We nailed it. Our coin is officially live on Photon's listings. Now it's just a waiting game as investors start discovering this gem. While we let the market do its thing, let me show you my secret weapon for tracking performance, which is step 4. DEX Screener is my go-to for chart tracking. Way more user-friendly than Photon for monitoring launches. Here's the trick. Navigate to any token, then paste your launch tool address over its URL and press enter. With this, you'll see your personal trading terminal. Liquidity is your key value here. Keep an eye on it. You'll always have a few bots over here. Don't mind them, there's nothing we can do about them. While we wait, head over to Radium's Portfolio tab. This is your mission control. Here you'll track your positions, check balances, and most importantly, cash out your profits straight to your wallet. Just stay on the standard view and give it 10 to 15 minutes to populate. No stress if it doesn't show up instantly. Blockchain speed varies. This time-lapse shows our coin's journey, but more importantly reveals what really matters in a launch. Those early bot transactions, pure noise. Ignore them completely. The truth is in the volume. When real buyers show up, you'll see your market cap climb and liquidity pool grow. That liquidity number is your golden goose. It's where your profits live. Keep checking your Radium portfolio until your position appears. Then withdraw when the numbers meet your targets. Now let me walk you through the profit-taking process. The moment of truth. Pull up your Radium portfolio and find that LP position. Click the minus button and max out the withdrawal slider. Remember, the top numbers are just noise. Your actual earnings are the Sol amount displayed below. If it meets your expectations, remove that liquidity and seal the deal. Remember that this is purely educational, guys, not financial advice. When this pops up, it's showtime. Check your wallet. We just made some nice numbers in minutes. Not retirement money, sure, but for a quick side hustle, I'll take these gains anytime. Imagine hitting this a few times a day. Those Sol stacks would pile up fast. Before we wrap up, full transparency time. This is purely an educational demonstration. I'm not partnered with Photon, Launchtool, DEX Screener, or any platform shown today, just sharing knowledge about how these launches work. That said, opportunities like this don't last forever in crypto. The door's open if you want to walk through it.